Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix EA Sports FC25 game is not launching on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first solution is update graphic drivers. Ensure your graphic card drivers are up to date. Many issues with the game launching can be due to the outdated drivers. Then just restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now the next solution is verify game files. If you are using platform like Steam, use the feature to verify the integrity of game files. This can repair any corrupted files or preventing the game from launching. Now the next solution is to disable overlays. Third-party overlays such as the NVIDIA GeForce Experience and MSI Afterburner or the even Discord can interface with the game startup. Try disabling them and then launch the game again. You have to simply restart your PC and then launch the game, then check. Now the next solution is the exploit protection settings. So you just need to allow your game through your Windows security or your Windows Defender firewall. So guys, this is very important setting that you need to apply. So go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows security and simply open it. Now here you will see the virus and threat protection. So just click on the virus and threat protection and just scroll down. You'll see the manage ransomware protection. Click on that. Now just turn it off. I recommend. But if you want to turn it on, then just click on the allow an app. Then just click on the yes. Then just click on the add and allowed app. Then just click on the browse. And here you just need to locate the folder of your game, which is the FC25 game folder. Just go to your game folder. Then just select your game launcher or where it launches or the any kind of exe file where it launches. Then just go back and then simply launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. Now I recommend you to turn it off, then check. Now the next solution to fix this problem is disable anti-cheat conflicts. If you are seeing an anti-cheat error, the game might be mistakenly blocked. Ensure your system is not preventing the anti-cheat from running properly. Now the next solution to fix this problem is check for update or patches. Since FC25 is newly released, there might be a patch for update available that resolve these issues. Make sure your game is fully up to date. Then simply restart the PC. Then check your problem is fixed or not. And I hope one of the solution fix your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and bye bye and take care.